How much should you actually spend on a rowing machine? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Yosida Magnetic Rowing Machine. The Yosida Magnetic Rowing Machine caught my eye immediately with its sleek black design and features that scream convenience. At $179.97, it's positioned as an affordable option for anyone serious about their fitness journey. If you want a quiet, effective workout, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This rowing machine boasts a dual silent system, meaning it operates at whisper quiet levels. Think less than 25 dB. You can row early in the morning or late at night without waking the neighbors. Plus, the 12-pound flywheel and 12 levels of magnetic resistance offer a customizable workout for all fitness levels. The LCD monitor displays key metrics like distance and calories burned, helping you track your progress easily. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. It takes about 25 minutes. But here's the thing. For most users, it's pretty straightforward, especially with the included guide and QR code for video assistance. If you're someone who isn't very handy, you might find this a bit frustrating. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, quiet rowing machine that can accommodate different fitness levels. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more advanced features or connectivity options. For the price, it offers great value for someone wanting to get into rowing without breaking the bank. Now, if the assembly concern with the Yosida bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with fuss-free setup.
Product number 2, YPO Magnetic Rowing Machine. Priced at $169.99. It's compact yet powerful, designed for anyone who wants a quiet workout without compromising on intensity. If you're after a smooth, silent experience, this is a solid option. What stands out here is its 16 levels of resistance and the ability to operate at under 25 dB. This means whether you're in an apartment or just want to keep the noise down, you can focus solely on your workout. The 46-inch dual slide rail fits a range of user heights, and its textured handle ensures a secure grip, even if you sweat a bit. This machine effectively engages your legs, core, and arms, providing a comprehensive workout. Some users mention that the seat could be more comfortable for longer sessions. Look, it's a valid point, but most users find it sufficient for typical workouts. If you plan on lengthy sessions daily, you might want to consider adding a cushion. This is ideal for you if you're looking for a sturdy, quiet rowing machine for daily use. Skip this one if you want something specifically designed for advanced training features or more extensive app integrations. For the price, it's hard to beat this machine's capabilities. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a little more tech integration. Product number 3, Winokur Rowing Machine. The Winokur Rowing Machine brings a bit more to the table. It's built for serious fitness enthusiasts who want a full-body workout at home. If you're serious about your fitness and want an immersive experience, this rower is worth considering. This machine features a Bluetooth app connection that syncs with your devices, allowing you to track your performance in real time. With 16 levels of silent magnetic resistance, it operates quietly, letting you row without disturbing others. The ergonomic design is comfortable for extended use, and its compact build means it's perfect for smaller spaces. However, a few users reported that the Bluetooth connection can sometimes be finicky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it generally functions well. If you're not tech-savvy or don't want to deal with possible glitches, this might be a concern. This is perfect for you if you love integrating technology with your workouts. Skip this one if you're not interested in app features or prefer a more straightforward experience. This machine offers good value for those wanting a bit more from their rowing workouts. Now, if the potential tech issues with the Winokur give you pause, the next product is designed for those who want simplicity without sacrificing quality.
Product number 4, Mosuni Rowing Machine. We have the Mosuni Rowing Machine, priced at an attractive $139.99. This model is a great choice for anyone looking to get started with rowing without overcommitting financially. If you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers on performance, give this one a look. The 16-level adjustable resistance is a standout feature, allowing you to customize your workout intensity depending on your fitness level. The double slide rail also provides stability, which is crucial during tough workouts. Plus, the built-in LCD monitor tracks your metrics, so you can keep an eye on your progress. It's compact, making it easy to store when not in use, saving you space. But honestly, some users found the assembly to be somewhat involved. While it's designed to be straightforward, if you're not handy, you might find it a bit daunting. However, once set up, it performs well for a variety of users. This is great for you if you're just starting your fitness journey or want something that won't take up much space. Skip this if you're looking for advanced features or premium build quality. For its price, the value it offers is pretty impressive. Now, if the assembly concern bothered you, the final product on our list has a reputation for being easy to put together. Product number 5, Winokur Dark Red Rowing Machine. Another Winokur model, also priced at $259.99. This version offers the same features as the previous Winokur, but comes in a stylish dark red design. If you're after a well-rounded rowing machine that looks good too, this one's worth your attention. Similar to its counterpart, it offers a smooth and quiet rowing experience with 16 levels of magnetic resistance. The sturdy frame supports up to 350 pounds, making it ideal for various users. The LCD monitor tracks all your essential metrics, and the comfortable padded seat ensures you can row for longer without discomfort. Some users mention that it can take a bit of effort to adjust the seat properly. Here's the thing, once you find your ideal setting, it's generally comfortable. If you're someone who tends to fidget during workouts, this might be an annoyance. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, sturdy rowing machine for your home gym. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option or minimal features. For what you get, it's a solid investment. To wrap things up, we've covered the Isuda, Waipu, Winokur, Mosuni, and another Winokur model. Each of these rowing machines has unique strengths, whether it's quiet operation, tech integration, or compact design, making them great options for your home gym. So, whether you want a quiet machine for early morning workouts or one that connects to your devices for tracking, there's something on this list for you. The Yosuda offers great value. The Waipu brings power at a low price. Winokur gives you tech features. Mosuni is budget-friendly, and the final Winokur combines style with substance. Choose the one that fits your needs best.